Hello everyone, this is Arpita. Welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to learn about split, merge, extract, and custom column features in Power Query Editor. If you want this file, please check the video description to download this file from the GitHub link. Let's go to Power Query Editor. Now already in the Power Query editor, I have created one sample file, and based on the sample file, I've created one table. If you want the sample data, please check the video description to get the GitHub link. So now in this data set, if you see that we have some of the columns value are not in proper shape. Okay, for example, the name, email ID, country code. Here also we have some product code. Here we have some order details. So it's not in the proper shape. We are going to explore this split column. Now this split column, format, merge, extract, all those features will be applicable on this text column. Okay, so let's start with that first. We have this customer info. So first we want to explore this split column. Select this one. Right, if you right click, you will get this split column, all the different type of features, as well as the split column from the above tab also. Let me select this split column by delimiter. If you observe here, we have this delimiter, this pipe sign. Okay, so now just right click, split column by delimiter, and I will select the custom one. Here we have this. Now all the different options also we have, but for this we need only this one. Each occurrence of this delimiter. So click on OK. If you see, it has been already splitted among three columns. Okay. Now you can rename all those columns based on your visualization purpose. But here I'm not doing that one right now. Okay. Here also we have this order detail. I'm going to using the split option again. And here we have this semicolon. So right click, split column, delimiter, and here I have this semicolon option. Click on OK. So you can see all the values has been splitted. Okay. Now we have explored the split option. Here, if you see, it's already converted to the date column also. Here we have different format option like the lowercase, uppercase, or you can capitalize or trim, clean, add prefix, add suffix. So you can use this format option to explore all. If you want to add some prefix, if you want to capitalize the first word, then you can do that on also, or you can completely uppercase lowercase. So all those options is possible. Now for example, here we have this qty equal to 2, so that means the quantity stuff. Okay, now I want to extract only the values, not the field. That also we can do in a different option, replacing option, but here I will use this extract feature. Select this column, click on this extract. Here you will find it out the length, first character. It is just like our substring option in our SQL. Last character, range, text before delimiter, text after delimiter, text between delimiter. So we are going to use text after delimiters. Here we have equal to sign. So I'll select this one and equal to, click OK. So all my values has been selected. Okay, which I exactly need that. Then you can rename this column as a quantity. Now similar way, the price option. Here also I can use this exactly extract text after delimiter, and here I will use like equal to and the dollar sign. So only the value will be there, and you can rename this column. You can change the data type to a number field. So we have explored split column, extract column, and we have seen the format column. Now we want to see the merge column section also. How will you do that one? For example, I have this name column and the country column. Now for your display purpose, you want to merge these two columns. How you want to do that? So if you select this one and select the second column, like if you see that I've selected the two columns here, and click on this merge column. So here for the merge one, I can use some custom delimiter also. For example, I'm using that underscore, and I'm just renaming as a merge. Okay. If you see, I've selected this. Yes, the merge column has been created here also. Okay. But here is the problem is that I don't have the name column as well as that country column. The both has been merged, but I need those two columns separately. How will you do that? For that purpose, you need to create one custom column. So let me delete this merge column. Okay. I will go to this add column and I want to create one custom column. So click on this custom column, and here I will select that what was my the customer info one. Okay. So I will select this customer info one, and I'll put as a ampersand, double quotes, underscore, then again ampersand, then the customer info 3. Okay. So here I'll just put it as a name underscore country. Here ampersand is a concatenating function. Okay. Okay. So here you can observe I have this name underscore country. Here I have already created one, added one column. So here that means a custom column is like I'm adding one another column, and but my existing columns are already there. So I hope you understand the difference between merge columns and the custom column. So based on your necessity, you need to decide which one is right for your business purpose. Okay. So I hope from this video you understood how to use split columns, format, merge column, extract, and your custom column. Okay.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and provide your comment, and please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thanks for watching.